Previously on WandaVision.
No, 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 no. Ow!
Hi guys, welcome to my WandaVision inspired makeup tutorial. Let's get started. So first I'll be using my Burt's Bees Peppermint Lip Balm and apply that to my lips. And next I'm going to be using my NARS Radiance Primer and mix that with a bit of Kylie's Sunscreen Moisturizer. Next I'm going to be using my P. Louise Eyeshadow Primer and make sure to use a small amount because a little bit sure goes a long way. Taking my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, I'm going to be taking the shade Certified and apply that all over the lid. Next I'll be grabbing my Coca-Cola palette by Morphe and grabbing the third shade from the top. I'll be applying that to my crease. And now going back to the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take the shade Next, and that will be our base for all the red that we are going to do. And now taking the shade Living My Best, which is a brighter, darker red, I'll be applying that all over the lid and just pack it on till we get a nice opaque look. Now switching back to the Coca-Cola palette, I'll be taking the red cherry color from the center and apply it all over the lids. Picking up the color Next again, I'll be adding it to the outer crease to add more shade and blend all the reds together. To add more dimension and color to the eyes, I'll be taking the shade Crazy from the Jaclyn palette and just apply that on my outer V and a little bit on my crease as well. Is it just me, or does the name of this eyeshadow go along with the look? Now I'll be taking my favorite gel eyeliner from Pretty Vulgar and make a sharp cat eye with it. Taking the red shimmery shade from the Jaclyn palette called Empowered, I'll be applying that to the middle outer portion of the eye, and then I'll be taking the red sparkly shade from the Coca-Cola palette and then only add that to the inner middle portion of my eye. Moving on to foundation, I'll be using the Infallible foundation from L'Oreal in the shade 440 and follow that up with the Kylie Cosmetics Pine Nut Concealer. To set my makeup, I'll be using the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. To brush off the powder, I'll be using my MAC Studio Fix in the shade C3. For bronzer, I'm going to be using Pretty Vulgar's in the shade Son of a Bee. For blush, I'm going to be using my Scott Barnes palette and picking up that dark mauve color, apply it to the apples of my cheeks. And yes, I did use too much, but I blended it out with my beauty blender. And because Scarlet Witch is a redhead, I'm going to be using the Jessica Rabbit highlighter from Ciate and apply that to my temples, my cupid's bow, and the tip of my nose. After curling my lashes, I'll be using the NARS Climax Mascara and fill in my brows with the NYX Brow Gel in the shade Black. this is done, I'm going back with the Coca-Cola palette and I'm going to add the sparkly red shade under my eyes. And because I don't have Marvel's amazing special effects, I'm going to try and make it look like I have red magic coming out of my eyes or whatever. Towards the end of the video, you might notice that the palms of my hands look red, and I did that by accidentally rubbing some red eyeshadow onto my hands. Which in the end, it worked out for the best because it gives it more of a Wanda look. For the final step, I'm just going to be applying the Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in Hustle Money. And just because it's red, I'm going to be using KKW's lip perfume to finish the look. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this WandaVision tutorial. I had so much fun with it and I ended up with glitter everywhere. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye now, and please stand by for the next one.